So here is the ingredients of the empanaditas dough. I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and salt, 1 egg, and 1 stick of unsalted butter, and sugar and water. So let's put it up together. I made this tonight for tomorrow because that dough needs to be overnight. Okay, let's put it up together. So first we put the salt right there and the sugar. Mix it up. I almost forgot 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And mix it up. And let's cut the butter in a small piece and put right there on the flour. So now we need to spread that butter into the flour. My feeling of this one is already cooked. That the one I made earlier, Picadillo, is exactly the same ingredients. So I made it a lot. So I decided to make a dough for the empanadita. So now let's go ahead and crack the egg. Oops. And put it together in the water. And now we're going to pour it here in the middle of flour. Well, I have no choice. I have to use my hands. Okie dokie. Let's put it in the fridge overnight. See ya. So this is the dough that I made last night. I'm just gonna use this one because I think it's the right size. Keep running. So this is the picadillo that I made yesterday. This is I'm going to put in there for filling. Just put 1 tablespoon. And fold like that. Then you cut it there on that line. I think this is so much easier for me, huh? I bought this one from the grocery store. I seen this one. So I said, oh, this is a good idea when you make a pie. So you don't throw this away because we can make that another pie. I mean dough for empanaditas. So I made another one. So this is the perfect size. If there's air inside, just poke right there in the side. Yeah. That's pretty. This is it. It's not that perfect, but it's alright. So here is the empanaditas that I made. I only made 12. I should have double size of the dough measurement. Anyway, so right now I'm going to put a glass on top of it before I bake it. So this is like a 400 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes, or until the dough is golden brown. There you go. I still have a lot left over of the picadillo. I might make some pasta for that too. There you go. It's going to bake it for 20-25 minutes, 400 degrees. Okay everyone, here is my finish of my empanada. with the filling of picadillo. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie. See ya. Alright everyone, here is my finish of my empanada. I used the filling that I make yesterday, picadillo. Not sure which one's the right one. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie. See ya.